Hello and welcome back to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through some key levels that we are interested in trading and some scenarios we're looking at trading as well. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another video. And make sure you watch this video until the end because I am going to give you some really valuable information on how to actually profit off of the price movements. Before we jump into the charts, make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join Bit Trading here and you can gain access to the free courses we have available for you there. Also, we have the Visionary membership there as well, which gives you access to the Visionary Discord and the premium courses as well. With the Visionary Discord, you gain access to the daily market updates that we have for you. I have just updated my team with a trade idea that we're possibly looking at trading, and you also get all of the trades that I put in the Visionary Discord as well. You know, some of the previous trades we have taken look like this, so they have been amazing trades. So if you want access to that, click the link in the description. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and look at the key levels that we are interested in trading. Okay, so looking at the price of Bitcoin, what has happened? Well, we've had this really nice push towards the upside. Of course, this was a fundamental reason. Okay, ETF was approved. Okay, so this is a really bullish thing. This is why we've seen a big push towards the upside. However, you know, we could see a big sell-off from here. Okay, why is that? Well, you know, all the people that were looking at longing down here as this price was rising is going to be looking at taking profit up here at the highs. Okay, so this is why, you know, we're possibly seeing this pullback. But, you know, looking on a technical reason, why are we seeing this pullback? Well, if we look at the open interest, we can see that we are getting extreme bearish divergences on the open interest. We can see extreme higher highs on the price action chart, but lower lows on the open interest. Okay, so this pullback was inevitable. Okay, and I did not actually enter a short position based off of this because there just wasn't enough bearish indications to enter this. This was just one indication telling me that the price could most likely pull back, and that's exactly what we have seen. Okay, so where can we see the price actually pull back from here? Well, we have a key level at 27,000 right here. Why is this a key level? Well, this was the previous range high, okay, of this range that we were trading in right here. Okay, and of course that has been broken towards the upside. That was broken with high volume. Okay, because we got the break towards the upside with high volume, there was a high chance we were going to get a continuation towards the upside, although that continuation didn't take us all the way up to 29,000, okay, which is a key level towards the upside that we are waiting and remaining patient for. Okay, we did initially get a continuation towards the upside until that open interest started to show us bearish signs. Okay, and then the scenario looked as though, you know, we could get a pullback. Okay, back down to 27,000, retesting the previous resistance as support, and then from there we can reevaluate. Is the price going to bounce off of this level and move higher, potentially to our new key level at 28,136? Okay, or are we going to get a failed auction? Okay, as in this is a fake out, we get accepted back into the range, okay, and use 27,000 as resistance again, and then we get a continuation towards the downside. If we see the confirmation that this is a failed auction, then and only then can we enter into that possible short position if we get accepted back into the range. Okay, so we could enter into that short position because there's a high possibility that we are going to see a continuation, possibly down to the mid-range of the range or all the way down to the low of the range as well. So, you know, that's a scenario that I'm looking at. Okay, but we have to factor in, you know, other scenarios as well. Another scenario is that we actually get bullish at this level here at 27,000, okay, and we see a push towards the upside, okay, targeting first of all 28,136, as I said, because this is a key level. Okay, if we don't see bearish confirmation, bearish confluence at this level, then what are we looking at? Well, we're looking at higher prices. Okay, and the next high that we're looking for is 29,000. Okay, so those are the scenarios that we are looking for. But why 29,000? Okay, I said this in yesterday's video. If you didn't watch that, make sure you watch that because I go in depth in what has actually been happening. But 29,000, okay, is a key level because it is the value area low from this range right here. Okay, and there's a high probability, not all of the time this happens, but there is a high probability that we could see price actually retrace the previous range value area low, okay, and vice versa. You know, when the price is above, there's a high probability that price could revisit the value area high. If it gets accepted back into the range, we could see that range continue to be traded, or, you know, we could see a break of that previous range, you know, in these key levels here, and we get a continuation towards the upside, which would be very bullish. But these are, you know, the key levels we have towards the upside, 29,000 actually being one of those key levels as well. Okay, but right now we're focusing on this pullback. Okay, we're focusing on this pullback. Okay, and we're waiting for the price. Okay, we're remaining patient. Okay, so like I said, you know, at the start, I give my team trade ideas as well. Okay, so I did the daily market update, and then I gave my team a trade idea that I'm possibly looking at trading. Okay, so yeah, if you want access to those trade ideas and you want access to my trades that I am personally taking, then make sure you click the link in the description, head over to bittrading.uk, and you can gain access to them via that. But yeah, you know, this is a key level that we are interested in trading. Okay, and this is a key level that we are interested in trading as well. So right now, what are we doing? Well, we are remaining patient, waiting for one of these levels to be tapped. Once one of these levels has been tapped, then and only then can we check for the reaction. Okay, and then we determine, are we going to enter a trade, or are we going to hold off from entering a trade? Okay, so what am I doing right now? Like I said, just remaining patient, waiting for the price to either come to our key level here, okay, or our key level here, where we can then determine, are we going to enter a trade or not? Okay, so that's pretty much all I've got for you today. You know, we just got to remain patient, wait for one of these levels to be tapped. Once the level is tapped, then we can determine whether we're going to trade it or not, if we see the right confirmation and we see the right confluence. Okay, if we do see the right confirmation and the right confluence, then and only then will we enter into the trade. And of course, you know, the Visionary members on the Visionary Discord will be the first people to know about it. Okay, and I did update my team and I said, yes, Bitcoin is experiencing an awesome rally, but I wouldn't get overly excited. Okay, price may trade down below 26k faster than you may expect if we see a failed auction, which would bring the price back into the range. Okay, so what I was saying, you know, is if we get a failed auction, okay, here, if this turns into a failed auction, as in, you know, we get accepted back in below 27,000, okay, accepted back into it, then we could see a continuation back below, you know, 26,000, possibly all the way down to the range low here. Okay, so we just have to be aware of that. That is a possibility. You know, it was a very quick move towards the upside. Okay, so we could then again see a big move towards the downside. Okay, so that is a possibility, and we just have to be aware of that. But remember, before we enter the trade, we need to see the confirmation and the confluence, which I tell my team as and when that occurs, of course, on the Visionary Discord. So that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Just remaining patient, waiting for a level. Once the level is tapped, I'm going to tell my team over on the Visionary Discord what I'm doing, okay, and then they can follow along with me. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Just wanted to keep it short, quick update. If you found this interesting and useful, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another video, and yeah, make sure you join Bit Trading if you want to get you know, the trades that I am taking as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.